Hey, Dr. Colpin, Josh Stevenson here, week two. This is for week two. It was, do you think, do you have any bias when it comes to school counseling or school counselors? I think that if we told ourselves that we didn't have any bias, you would be lying to yourself some sort of way. Something that somebody does is going to bother you. Uh, I think you just need to be, like I said in my first video, fair, firm, and impartial. No matter if it's your friend or your friend's child or a coworker's child or the principal wants a favor or anything like that. You just have to go by the rules. Be fair, firm, and impartial. Let them know that this is what's going to happen. Um, if you do know somebody and uh, if you do know them and you know their child, you still have to let them know that, hey, if they're in trouble, if they're falling behind in school, if they need any help, that you're there to help them and that you have to treat them like you treat every other child. A bias, I don't think I have a bias that's bad. Something that might be good, maybe, I'm not sure. I tend to want to help more of like the Title One kids, more of the kids that need the help that I think need the help more. They may not need the help more. So that might be a bias because I think that they need the help when in all actuality, they might not need any help at all, but I would like to help them more. I tend to seem to help them more. Uh, the more, just like with counseling, I want to go to like a Title One school, be like in the middle of the city, helping kids out that need the help that I don't think that they get help at home, which isn't always the case. But so I think my bias might be that I tend to help. I tend to go towards the more kids I think need more help, when maybe they don't, and maybe the kids that I think uh, that don't need help, they might need help. I just gotta make sure that I'm treating everybody the same and that everything is from the up and up and looking good, and that if they need help, help them out. Thanks. See you tonight.